Hi there you guys, I'm Teddy from BijuTeo Beading, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to make this beautiful bracelet. It's made only out of 4mm beads and seed beads, really easy. I think you could use 3mm as well, and I will show you step by step. I'm sure by the end of this tutorial you will be able to make it even if you are a beginner in beading. So if you want to see more videos like this, it's a good idea to subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified for my new absolutely free upcoming projects. Usually twice a week I'm posting them. And if you want to make me do more and more beautiful videos, please share, like and comment, and I promise I'll answer to all of you that comment and have any questions. And if you make beautiful jewelries, share them on my Facebook page that I posted below this video. I will be so happy to see your creations. Thank you so much for watching. Now I will start with the list of the materials. Okay guys, so for this video what you're going to need are 4mm beads or pearls. I think 3mm will work too for this tutorial, and I'm using two colors of 11/0 seed beads, scissors, size 10 beading needle, and I'm using a clasp. Here it is lobster's claw clasp. And now I'm going to start by picking up 6 of these beautiful beads, and because the holes are small I will put them this way. I usually pick them up, but now because the holes are small I'm doing this, okay? And I'm leaving a small tail here, and I'm going to make a knot like I usually do. I'm making a loop and going once, going second time through the loop I've made, and I'm pulling, and now this is what I have, and I will go in this direction reinforcing my work. Okay, pull it tight, and I will take one more bead, and I want to put this in the center. So as I'm exiting out of this bead and my thread is in this direction, I will go through the opposite one. I'm counting 1, 2, going through the first one, and I'm going in the same direction where my thread is pointing to. Okay, like that, and now it's in the middle. Okay, now I need a white seed bead, orange seed bead, and a white one. This is what I have, and as I'm exiting out of this bead I'm going back in circle through the same bead. Okay, and I'm pulling. Now I will turn this to the center of my work, and I will go through my next bead, and now I take a white and an orange. Okay, now I'm taking just 2 beads because I'm using the white from my previous loop of beads, and I'm connecting my beads this way. Okay, then I will go back through this bead and through the following, and I will continue the same way: white, orange, and I will continue the same way: white, orange, and I'm going through the previous white, pulling. Okay, and I will show you this faster a few more times. Okay, and I'm going through this white, and I'm here at my last step where I have 2 whites next to each other, and this time I will take only one orange. As I'm going from one of my whites I will go through the other one, adding orange, and I still have white, orange, white around here. Okay, now I will go through this green one and I will go through one of my whites, and now I want to connect my inner circle of orange beads. I want to connect them. Okay, and I'm pulling tight. Then I will take just one white bead, and as I'm exiting from this orange, I will go to the opposite orange in the same direction where my thread is pointing, and I'm pulling just like that, and I'm going through my next white bead, then through the green one here, and now I need one orange, going through the green one, and I will surround this circle of bead with orange beads everywhere between my green beads. Okay, and off camera I added all of my orange beads around here. Okay, and now I will show you how to attach your clasp. I'm taking 2 orange beads, then I'm taking my clasp, sliding it down, and I will take 2 more orange beads, and I'm going in circle. Okay, this is what I have. Now I will reinforce this part here. Okay guys, and I reinforced this part. Now I will reach here at the other side of my work. Okay, and as I'm here, I will start my next element. But before I start it, I will take 3 orange beads and I will go back in circle through this orange. Sometimes I need my pliers to go through my beads. Okay, and then I will go one more time here, reinforcing this joint. Okay, and now I have this, and what I do now is take 6 beads. Okay, I have my 6 here, and I'm sliding them down just like that, and I'm going back in circle through this green one. Okay, and then through all of them, and I will take just one green, go through it, and then go through the opposite one. Okay, and I'm pulling, pull tight here, make it tighter. Okay, and now I'm taking white, orange and white bead, and I'm going back in circle through the same bead here. Okay, and I'm pulling this to the center. Then I'm going to the next bead, and I'm taking one white and one orange bead, just like that, and I'm going back through this white one here. Okay, and I'm going through my following bead, and again I need white and orange, and I'm going back through this white one here from my previous beads, and I will continue this, and when I'm up to here I will be back. Okay, and now I'm going through this white one here. I'm here at my last step, taking one orange and going through this white one, and then reinforcing the central part. And I'm adding just one bead in the center, the same way I showed you. Then I'm going down there, and I want to add orange beads everywhere. Okay, and I will continue this, and when I'm up to here I'll be back to show you how to add more thread. Okay guys, and now my thread is almost over, and I want to cut it and add a new one. Okay, so in order to do this I'm making a loop here, and I'm going once and second time through the loop I've made, and I'm pulling. Then I will go through my next bead and I will cut my thread. Now I will take a new comfortable length of thread on my needle, and I'll be back to show you how to add a new thread. Okay guys, and now I have a longer thread on my needle, and I'm going to show you how to add it here. Okay, so I'm going through one of my orange beads, let's say here, and I'm making a knot by making a loop, and going once, then going second time through the loop I've made, and I'm pulling, and then I will go through my beads and I want to exit here at this orange one. And now what I want to do is cut my thread, just like that. And I will continue beading until I have the desired length, and I'll be back to show you how to finish your bracelet. Okay guys, and now I need to take 5 orange beads, and I will take my jump ring, and I will go back to this orange one. Okay, now I will go reinforcing this part here. Okay, and do this several more times, and then make some knots. Okay, I will find a place where to make my knots. Okay, let's say here. I will make a loop and I will go once and second time through the loop I've made, and I'm pulling, and I could repeat this step several more times, and when I'm ready I will cut my thread. Okay guys, now my bracelet is ready, so if you like it and you want to see more videos like this, it's a good idea to subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified for my new absolutely free upcoming ideas and videos. And if you want to support me and make me do more tutorials, please like, share and comment, and I promise I'll answer to all of you that comment and if you have any questions. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below this video. I will be so happy to see your creations. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye from me.